Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a power steering line on a Chevy Silverado. The part number for the line is 35023. And some systems, the part number is also 39108, like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, places like that. This line actually goes right off the rack and pinion, and the hose that connects to it goes up to the power steering cooler up by the grill on the front end of the truck. What happens on the lines is either they rust out or that oil ring, they blow out and they start leaking. Well, in this case, on this truck, I'll show you here in just a second, it just so happens it's both. First thing we're going to do before we go underneath the truck is we're going to open this up, see what size wrench we need to remove this line. So once we get up underneath the truck, we don't have to come back out. Alright guys, we're up underneath the truck here. And there's the line right there. As you can see, the fluid leaking out right there of the line with the hose clamp. And it's not leaking with hose clamp, it's leaking at the fitting at the line. So we're going to remove the line, get up in there with a wrench, and get it removed. Alright guys, what happened, the line is so rusty and brittle that it just snapped off right off at the fitting. So now we're just going to reach in there with the socket and undo the fitting, and then take the brand new one and put it on. Alright guys, we got the old fitting out of the gearbox, or rack and pinion, sorry. Now we're going to take and install the new one. Alright guys, we got the new line installed. Now we just got to tighten it down and put the hose back on. Also guys, wanted to show you all, what I did was use a ratchet wrench, because everything's so compact in there, in the engine, the harmonic balancer, and the tube is too long to get a socket on there. I used a ratchet wrench so you could tighten it right up. Well, give me 1 second, we'll get the hose back on. 1 second guys, we're getting another clamp, we're going to double clamp it. Alright guys, as you can see, we've double clamped it. It's one thing I've always done on lines, especially when they're on the smooth like tube like that. I always double clamp, even radiator hoses. I just find it's a good safety and cheap insurance, you know, quite frankly, because these corkscrew style clamps, you know, they break real easy, and over time they get brittle and they rust, you know, just like anything else. So now we're going to get this all cleaned up, get all this old fluid removed from everywhere. And if you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.